So you were saying like a lot of them.
I'm not doing
don't
it.
get- No, water can be fast.
Just doing that for
Like, these are real stories from here. So guys, okay, let's go. We have more time to waste. Can you tell me
kidogo tu. Good morning. Hello baby here. Welcome onto these videos. Are very special, and guys, we thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. In case you're new here guys, subscribe, comment, share, like guys. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So on today's videos guys, my intro starts from here, and the crazy thing is where I'm pointing, this is the sun guys. You can see how it's circular in shape. Wow, right, this one here, this is the rays guys. You see, that's the rays from the sun, you know. So I'm just over here guys on this beautiful river, and at the same time I was basking the sun from the other side, you know. I don't know guys whether we are in the middle of East Africa. I think so guys, I think so, because we have Western Africa and Eastern Africa. So we are in the middle of East Africa. So especially guys, so this is the river, and I think this water runs from border town. It's correct, and then it's go up to river YouTube, you know, down there. And then but I'm showing you the how this water pass, I think here guys, and it's a clean water because it's serve community in terms of maybe the cow drink them. Also on the upper side you have the river where people fetch water for drinking. So the water normally pass on this local bridge that we have here, and it's go up to that way and then go up to River Migori, and then from that it connects Lake Victoria, and then from Lake Victoria it goes to, I think, Mediterranean Sea. So guys, on today's videos I'm going to visit my friend's land, and 100% most of the people think it's my land. No, I'm just a caretaker, and we've been there to take everything in good position. So guys, when I'm going that way I'll show you how the water is coming, like, you know. Wow. So guys, please support my channel by subscribing, comment, share, like, and also guys, check out Felicitas, you know. So we almost, the time is so limited in my village here. I think I'm remaining with some few days to start my journey guys. I know everyone will waiting this, and you will say guys, you know, when I'm saying I mean, like, nothing to be black. So it's good to be outside, to change the narrative, to change the minds, you know. So not every day home. I need to settle outside, as I said earlier. So I give you some like, I want to show you new places before I come to build, and then I'm going outside to fresh my mind. Like 3 to 4 days I came back, because traveling, it's expensive, so it's need somebody to have money to travel. So I had on the comment section people say, hello baby, East Africa is big, please show us. I'll show you. I have been Nairobi, I have been Kisumu twice, Nairobi once, and then let's see my next destination. I think me to be specific, I'll go to the coastal beaches guys. You wait, as a village boy you will see my reaction there. So also this trees that you see here, it's an medicinal Yeah, you know, it's super organic. And I'm sure with you this story, if you have a young kid at your home, and then the stomach starts disturbing the baby, you wanna plug this. You see, guys, let me show you. You wanna plug this. You see this one? They have these yellow flowers, and then you boil, you give the small baby to drink, and then the stomach stop like it's vomiting, or like do like you know, like you know, like in the stomach here. So you give the small baby this one. And guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this plants here. At the same time, it smells like cooked rice. I'm telling you guys, you know, I'm sure with you, if I think I could have my data, I could Google this stuff and then I show you. This one here, you plug it, you boil, and then you give a small baby, and then your baby gets wet. So we just go that way. And the good thing, guys, I left my bike at my Huguenot's home, and then I come to start my introduction. So this is the bridge that we have, right and left. You see, it's well made by metallic, you see. Chuma Yadosh. And then down here, this is a carabat. The water is running free, you know. So even most of my time, I normally purchase sand on other side, right there, going far away, you know. And then we pass here with some tippers, you know. So I'm gonna take you a little bit down here, and then I shows you how things is. Also, these are metallic, you know, to prevent maybe the car going to other side falling, or maybe even the vehicle lose the control. Can have the support here. You see down there, I'm going to show you guys, the water is flowing like crazy, other than other side. Let me show you guys. Come along with me, and please help me to share these videos, guys. You know, if I get 5 people shared to 100 people or 1,000 people, I really appreciate, guys, because your support, it's made who I am today. And no matter what, guys, I wanna grind so hard to achieve my goal. You know, today maybe I'm just on this river watching these videos, and then maybe tomorrow I was not being here, I will maybe jump to the next level. That's how Hello Baby have been made it, guys, you know. So let's check inside here. Well, before I take you to my friend's land, I give us special videos like around 10 minutes, and then we go showing you how my village is, you see. And the good thing is, people harvest sand from there, put this way for consumption of money, you know. Money is everything, guys, here. Try to imagine harvesting the sand from here, put here, and then they don't come and then pick it. Look, very nice, very nice. Woo! Oh, oh. Look, by yourself. And then from other side, it's coming that way. You see the boom. Look, going to other side, and then whoa, to River YouTube. You see? Wow. And that side, that's the sun, that's the bridge on the other side. You see, guys. Okay. Wow. Oh my Lord. So I think it's my time to go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Coming from other side, It's something else. Wow. I think it's my time to take you to my friend's land. And wow. Even I remember, guys, when you're going to the river, according to our culture, you must wash your face. And then you start moving. Even I just believe when one day I visit a new country, I just like touch on the ground and do like this. I say that's my country number one that I visited. You'll see. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go. People harvest sand along the road. You see here. You see other side. You know. Guys, for sure, I love Africa. Africa, it's my best home. I love it. I love it because we breathe fresh air, green everywhere. I didn't say other places are bad, but if you compare the lifestyle in city and Africa and village, man, I know most of the African places have been developed, like South Africa. Oh, you think that we are in Europe. So for this case, I'm heading this way. So I'm using the shortcut, you know. So let's go. Let's go. On the other side we have sugarcane plantation. You see from other side going up to that way. Wow. Let's go. That's Congrats Dad sugarcane plantation. So guys, I'm heading this way, and we're on the topic of saying in Africa, mostly South Africa, the well-developed country ever. When you go to South Africa, you think that you are in Europe, you think that you are in UK or United States, because man, even I watch on camera, I said, oh my God. And the reason why being I love mostly interior part of the village, especially in my village, everything's natural, you know. And imagine you have a sand from the road, you put here, we have cassava plantation, you know. But in the city, you can't maybe find trees like bush here. No. So guys, apart from that, everything will be perfect. Let's go. So guys, it's bright morning. That's how you heard my voice, like because you understand the situation when somebody wake up in the morning, and then how the voice looks like or how the voice sounds. It's because maybe during night time we didn't talk, we sleep, and then daytime we talk. So guys, let's go and see how things is here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow. I normally pass here with my bike, and I use as a shortcut going to border town, and the border town is just on the other side where I came from. When you jump to other side, you go to Tanzania. When you go that way, but when you go this way, you're going to border town, but this way, Tanzania. You can't imagine. One day, guys, if I have one of my fans arriving in my village, I will show these all things that you see on TV. And on this side here, you have we call finger millets. Yeah, finger millet plantation within here. So let's jump to the other side, guys. You know, and I left my bike in good condition. You know, let's go. This is beans plantation here. Mura. Vip. Nenda. Kusenya. Okay. I'm asking Mura. We're going where he was heading. He told me heading to fetch firewood. So this is my Yugonos place. But I'm just passing here, going to the other side. See guys. Let's go. Okay guys. There's maize plantation on this side here. It tells you people in our village here, they're really farmers, guys, you know. Wow. Guys, let's go. I know for my premiere again, I think on Thursday you missed my videos. Yesterday is on Friday, you get a short videos, and then today's on Saturday. Oh, you wanna get full length of the videos, I'm telling you. So I left my bike at my Yugonos place or home, so it's safe. So I'm heading this way, guys. Let's go and check. Wow. Wow, guys. If you're watching this video for the very first time, please guys, subscribe to my channel, like, and also share my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, and leave the sweet comments on the comment section below. So I'm heading down, you know. Let's go this way, guys. I'm going to check my land, my friend's land. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay guys, let's go. Boom, boom, boom. So it's opposite side, this side here, because it's raining, and then maybe something was swept away by the rain. So I'll get here. So these are the stones for the construction. Also, we have sand, we have bricks on the other side. Wow. So let me check this part here. You know, when it's raining, the rain will affect everything. You know. Okay guys. So at the same time, the size of here, it acts as a boundary. You see right here. So wow, we done it in local way, but we have in a modern way, guys. Let me step here. You see down here, no one will push it, but we have another method. We put the concrete down, and then the steel bar that stick there forever. But this one here, during our old days, people do like this. When you bought a land, they plant like 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in the middle maybe once here and there, you see. And then you can't imagine this soil. It gives you out the like plants going longer. Okay guys, let me check. Guys, the water is coming, like it's coming up. Maybe, oh, let me try this. Maybe when it's raining, the water will coming from other side and then go chupuru. Because guys, look the level of water. I don't want to touch this one. Maybe it's maybe bad. Then when I touch this one and then I fall down, look, choop, You see the water? That's the river water. And the owner who sold this land, she gave me still this borehole. It's deeper, but right now, guys, you see the river water. Hey, it's something else, guys. Something else. Maybe it has a lot of water, which can help us maybe during building on this place here. Wow. So supposed to approach this stuff. See, this one are not good. It make our environment to be look like crazy. So the best way to do is to uproot, you know. Oh my god. Whew. Yeah, it's to make our environment to be look clean. Wow. I hope, guys, the villagers didn't use this toilet. But you know how villagers behave? They normally used, because I came with the padlock. This door can't like been closed. You see, that's the end. And then maybe let them use instead of this destruction of the properties. Let them use. This is the local bathroom. Oh, guys, imagine I was been here like 3 weeks later. Back 3 weeks I was been here, but right now you see everything have been grown, especially things like this. You can't imagine, guys. You can't believe it. Wow. This is semi-permanent, just like our house back at home, and then like do it rough cast. Okay. Wow, that's banana on the other side. Wow. Okay, guys. This is my friend's lands here, guys, you know. So, guys, right now I left my friend's land. So technically I have already taken my bike from my Yugonov's place just over here. So I normally left my bike there. So, okay, guys. Let me put it here. Now, guys, this is my real motorbike for my new subscriber who joined this vlog today. This is my new bike. You know, it's a TVS company and I love the blue stuff. So maybe it's determined, maybe in future I'll have a small baby car painting with blue color, guys. So right now I didn't maybe to film this place. I was filming when I'm coming back, and then because we have trees here and there, we normally pass with my bike. So we shall meet on the next part heading to Nyabohanza, guys, you know, showing you how things are. And then these are I think I think it looks like cactus, but it's not cactus. Amphibian trees, you know. So at the same time it's a medicinal. When the snake bites you, you peel it one plant, and then those white milk you put where the snake bites you, and then it's take out the poison, you know. So this one here, but I forgot the name. I think it's amphibian, or I think so, things like that. Like we put in the categories of cactus trees, you know. So I think it's amphibian, you know. This one here, let me go closer, guys. That one here. If you know the name of these trees, please comment on the comment section below. That one there. You know. So we share with you guys this story from here. I know some trees are medicine. I know a little bit, but the rest, maybe you find it and then I didn't know, you know. So guys, let's go and let's do this. We shall meet on the next side going to Nyabohans. Alright guys, so finally I'm on this road here heading to Nyabohans, you know. That is Nastor's home, right there. See? Yeah, I think right now, guys, it's around 9 o'clock a.m. That's 9 a.m. my time here. Wow. So let's confirm the time before we go, guys. I don't want to black things. Guys, please, let's confirm the time and then we move on. I think it's close to 9. Yes, it's 9 o'clock, 9:07 a.m. That's my local time, you know. It's very in the morning. It means from my home up to my friend's land down here, I wake up around 7. I was been out, you know. Yeah guys, I was closing my pockets here. So 7, I was been out, let me say guys 6, because to wake up and then start to brush my teeth, prepare, wash my face here and there. So I was been I wake up around 6. That's I think, yeah, 6. And then by 7 I was been out from my home up to here. We wanna drive by 40 minutes to be around here, and then preparing to shoot my videos, you know. So let's go guys, let's go. That's the maze corner in here. Let's go guys. Me, I always say no one who is perfect, you know. As a human being, today you make a mistake, tomorrow you didn't repeat the same mistake, you know. We just stop here guys to learn, and even me guys, I'm learning. Every day is a learning lesson, you know. As the key is having jammed. Okay, let's move. Wow. Yeah. This place is cool, you know. At the same time, it's totally cold. That's the reason why I'm wearing my jacket here. Let's move. Moving on. Okay. Kids are going to church. That's Nyabohans police station right there. If you make if you're in trouble, you know the police will handle your case. Okay. So guys, I'm going to check the place where I left my power bank yesterday to be charged. Actually, I left at Kosia's place. Keko boda. I'm good. I don't get on kitu ongeza pressure yake ya Mungu.
Haina pressure.
So weke hapo mbele. Say hello.
Yes.
Let me come closer.
Squeeze.
Yeah, but let me park aside here.
Yeah.
You know, people are crazy.
This is road, my friend.
Yeah, this is road. Nico Buddha.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good.
Yes. How is everything?
Everything is good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, family. My name is Nico Buddha, Virginia boy. A boy from Shamba. This is another morning. Welcome at Hello Baby YouTube channel.
Yes.
If you're the first day, remember to subscribe. You know, morning like this, we wake up for responsibility about to work.
Yeah.
Work. In here
It's
village.
work.
Yeah, in here village without work, my friend. Nothing you can achieve. So, as you can see, I come from border.
Yes.
Because there side I have a mason. So I need to go there and open store and also house. Mason take the property and then he start to work.
Okay, guys. The crazy thing is, when I was going to have my bike, it's the same this bike here.
Yeah.
But the guy saw the bike and then they give me this one. So maybe Nico Buddha.
This is a good.
Maybe this is for family. Hey.
It's good. Yeah. It's a chopper.
Chopper.
Yeah. So
Labda tuende kwa kwako.
yeah, let us go.
One like this.
Let us go.
Aya, twende.
Yeah, let us go, my friend.
Okay guys, let me visit Nico Buddha. Eh? What's it? Fresh. I'm good. Yeah. Babu, uko mzuri kabisa.
Nimeamka kwenu.
Kabisa. Nataka nifike hivi. Wow guys, see what is coming. Whoa. Jump. Wow. Amazing. So I was been with Nico Buddha. So I said I want to pass to your construction and then say hello. Yo. Guys, I can't remember the day I was around here. I think even he was not roofing. But right now you see guys. This American styles house. Whew. If I could have a drone guys, I could fly it here and then you see how things is here. See guys. Hey. Hey. This is American style. Wow. So Nico Buddha is constructing something here.
Yes.
Madikodiko.
This is a Kodi.
Madikodiko.
Madikodiko is too much.
It's too much.
Yeah.
Yes, say hello because I was with Nico Buddha.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, my name is Kenneth Remedy, aka to Sangara the Big Fish. Guys, pio momo got miriam boku beringa to putindo ko to chemune to chedro ngafanya ronagi. Nyireke kichetu don kamaro. Guys, yes, my friend. Yeah, so guys, this is another day. I'm here for Nico Buddha site. I'm working here. Yes, so if your first time you come for my brother here, check me out, Kennedy_the Remedy too. Subscribe, like, and comment. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. At the same time, he was the owner of this house.
Yes.
The boss, building.
Yes, you know here, Harbe, we are building something here. Step by step, my friend.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yeah.
Guys, even me when I'm going to build my mama dream house, I'll be a handman because I'm not a mason. I'll be a top handman.
Yes. You know, sometimes you must work, you can bless your house.
Yeah.
So sometimes I bless my house because this video, in the future I got to show my kids.
Yes.
That's, you know, your father is top mason.
Top mason.
It's really, yeah, go watch my
You
video.
click a video.
And it say I struggle to put the breast of here, so don't make mistake. Don't put the megado.
Megado. Megado.
Yeah. Because
okay.
yeah. So my friend, welcome. This is our home, and I thank God for every breast that we get here, and step by step. But as you can see now, we are having a big step for our dream house.
Yes.
I think since you the day we coming here, I don't have in this life.
Yes, even iron sheet.
Yeah.
Right now you are roofing.
Yeah.
Hey.
I remember the day we come here, maybe you can.
Ulikuwa umeweka maybe like names in frames, timber.
Cage. Yes, only. But now we are roofing, we are putting the window, and also we are continue to make a lot of things, piping. Let me put it a small tour, my friend.
A small tour. Migado.
Let me give you a small tour. Yeah. Yes, because here, as you can see, everything is changed here.
Yes.
Since you come here.
On top you put the grills.
Yes,
utaweka machuma hapo juu sasa
I got to
imekuka.
design something there and then I can put the grill. Yeah.
Na ukiona vipi wewe kile mwamvuli unakaa uangalie.
Yeah, you must enjoy yourself, my friend. This is a village.
Leo kuna muro hapo.
Is a vista
There.
Yeah. But that's why I need to do hurry to make a video this morning because yes,
of the
music maybe reaching noon there, so you can hear every is a music. So it's about dance. So
you put, let me see, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
that's a window.
This is a 3-cozy window.
Yes, I like that.
Yeah,
because I want to put for my mom a bigger window like this.
Yeah.
For fresh air.
And the people when the people is come here, it's like this window because it's a big.
Yeah, it's big.
And the offices are strong. You know.
You made it where? Migori, Tanzania.
Yeah, in border there.
Border.
Yeah, in the border there on.
And the one window it cost how much?
Some window like this is costing like $150.
That's 15,000.
Yeah.
But the strong one.
It's a strong one. Yeah, 15,000.
No fake, guys. Like, hey, this material chuma ya doshi.
Yeah.
Even though hata mirangu tengeza board.
Hey, and the door is the same like.
I saw in God. I copy your door.
Yeah, door is good because here we go to fix the grass.
Yes, I copy your door.
And when you go to painting, so it's looking
something.
Good. Yeah.
Hey, you are a good designer, guys. Hey, imagine that view. Look.
So this is going fast. When you open, and it's called
hey. Woo! Guys, comment in the comment section. I love your design.
You love it?
But this one you take care.
Oh, why?
Yes, because maybe you have the kids, they will start throwing stones on the grass like chop. You must be very you must be very strict daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy.
I told you, well, when you make mistake here,
it's the fire.
I punish you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
this is how we do. And also we are making the piping around our house. So it's, maybe we are waiting the step of plastering. You know, this is our frame. Go to put for our door.
Yes, this is a frame, guys.
Yeah. Our bedroom is needed this frame because we got to put timber. This is timber door for this.
Yes.
All room. How we have 3 bedrooms.
May I, maybe you start from your master bedroom.
Yes, our plaster we are starting from master.
Even
bedroom.
put this in utaanzia hapo.
Yeah, I started from master bedroom. Yes, to come for others room.
Yes, maybe in case of anything.
Yeah.
You start maybe sleeping there while plastering the rest.
Yeah. These are my plan also. Yes.
Kwa nini mahana mke wako?
This is our toilet.
Yeah. Utabomoa sasa hapa.
Yeah, we go to.
Niona badika kasiko kabali kondomo.
Yeah, I see that's when I put in the balcony there or porch so it can waste. That's can be toilet.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why you go to
do a small door.
Yeah. It's a small door here.
Kwani kuna mlango unatosha na hii?
Oh, what?
Hivi.
See, hey. That's tunaenda kwa milango ipo hadi if you want a tall
hivi this length.
Oh, this
size.
Here we go to put the grass door.
Oh, ile green itafitia hapo.
Yeah.
No problem, guys.
As you can see inside already. You are putting something
you are a good designer.
Yet.
Come on, what achuche ponu ulivu utazana kubora. In TV mu? No. Oh, this is your toilet.
Yeah, already we are putting the plumbing for our toilet.
Right here.
It's already this filter pipe.
Toilet will be here.
Yes, and also when you need
Shower.
it can be here.
I think here.
Yeah.
Here is hot water and cold.
Yeah, this is hot water and the cold water. Cold water.
Hey. Soft water. Sasa niko bure. Kwani hii sungeacha watumie na huyu mwenye ako hapa? Ami mwenye atakuwa sitting room ndo ataenda access hapa.
This is for public.
Public.
Yeah,
for the visitor.
Visitor.
No.
For people.
Operate here. Yes. Okay, niko bure.
Yes.
Congratulations on what we did.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. And then he said, God, thank you.
Yeah. You know, everything God. Yes, God help us.
Okay. Mochokoro.
You know, yeah, we
Kuona.
in work.
Hey. Tegwanza nene gasi.
We are in work, like you see, family.
The guy calling me there and then I don't want to go.
Yeah. He called him Mr. Cho.
Mr. Cho. Guys, I see something crazy. The goat is basking the sun on the stones. Let me go slowly. This is another real story from here, guys. Slowly, slowly. I hope it can't jump. Hey, you come. Guys, when I was filming the videos, especially when I was coming from my friend's land, I said I'm gonna come to Jose's place to check my power bank, but no one is here, so I don't want to go beyond people. Even I wanna switch off the light. See, so I normally charge my stuff here during daytime. See, even this one right here. Gonna switch it. Okay. Whew. Guys, what should I do, guys? Because yesterday I was charging my phone here, also my power bank, but I left it to completely charging, so no one is here. Because I love this place, it has a good vibe, cool nature, you know. I wanna sit here. Festus was sitting here, you know, but no one is here, guys. So maybe I'll come for, maybe later I'll come and then pick my stuff, because I'm supposed to charge my phone. It's around my phone is 21%. That's not my regular charging system, you know. So when I was tired around at my home, I normally chill here. I spend my day, you know, uploading my videos, watching people passing the road, you know. Hi guys. Guys, sorry. Let me go and take my breakfast. Sometimes I can yawn, maybe I'm tired, you know, maybe I yawn, I'm hungry, but I think right now is the best time to take my breakfast. So let's go and see what's my mom prepare for me, guys, you know. Let's go and see. Alright guys, so stay tuned. We shall meet on the next videos, and check out, guys, Jose, guys, because he was a close friend of mine, you know, since day one. We struggled together. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Boom. What Alright guys, I'm heading home. So right now I'm going to take my breakfast. Alright guys, I'm back home, and Let's see what my African mom prepare for us, guys. You know, today's a weekend, and we're just over here with the family, with my brother and also my sister. So man, this I'm calling home, and my home, it's cool, man, full of avocados. And one day I will try to plant mango trees, passion, and also lemon. For this case, we have avocados. You can see right here, plenty of them, these trees. But these trees disappoint me, no fruit. But this one here, there is some fruits. We have the boho. So what I believe, it's good to have some fruits around their homes. So like, not every day going to buy fruit. And guys, at this case, I think today I left my bike at home, and then I want to exercise with my mountain bike. So probably let me go and check my mountain bike, because my brother, they have been normally riding that bike. For this case, let me check, guys. This is our Mabati gets. Okay, guys. Wow. Bruno, what's up? Okay, guys, let me check my bike. Hey, guys, my bicycle is not around. My brother took it and go. I'll see, but today I feel like to ride my bike, guys. I'm telling you. So let me wash my hand right here, and then I see something to drink. Oi. Ué. Guys, let me check. My house is purely clean. Let me see. Oh, so I think I'm gonna take my tea, guys, right now here. Oh, guys, so right now we have yam or arrowroots. It depends how we call this. So this yam. Wow. Also here we have milk tea. Ngana kana watu wangu. Naona super organic. I love this. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I ate strong breakfast. Even this one, to finish 2 of them, just like you are eating dumpling, guys. I'm telling you, dumpling one like this is a Jamaican food we can't finish up. Even this one is yam, only 2, and then so guys, we shall meet on the next videos. So let me enjoy my breakfast, and then guys, the maize corn right here, and I'm outside after taking my breakfast. So let's see my brother here. Can you chapa kazi? Yeah, guys, my brother is working here as a top handman.
Yeah.
Say hello.
I'm scooping the sand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, with gumboots.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
How was life compared to university's life?
Life outside here
Hey.
is not a joke.
Yeah, guys, I'm telling you, outside here, we need to have money. Boss is sitting down there watching. I don't go to mining. Yeah. Hey. Is this my wheelbarrow?
No, yeah.
I think this is my wheelbarrow.
So you can push the
I think this is my wheelbarrow.
push.
Okay, be in front. Hold for me a camera. You think I can't push? Touch
I'm
me.
going in Blackham. Asarna go for taco.
What I check about I'm room with you, what I churi.
I can
What I make a motor her. Yeah. The boss is talking the phone there. And we just over here. Let me push. Maybe my brother think I can't push. I'll do it. Okay. Be in front. Guys, I'm the first born. He was the second born. Okay. Hold for me. Show people. Show people. You think I can't push? Alright. I can push. What do you think, my brother?
Yeah.
Guys, let me tell you one first thing. Come close. My people, let me tell you one thing. When I'm going to build my mama dream house, I'll be the top hand man. Let's go. So although it's been a while, but I'm trying my best. You know? Push it.
I had the brother.
Where?
From Blackham.
Here?
Yeah.
Whoa. Come you push. I don't want to oversweat, guys. Let me help you. Okay. No, go back. Okay, come. Just okay. Yeah. Okay. Go back. The Kim Kilo Torham. And there's a risk bohor here.
Yeah?
Eh. Okay. Hi. Don't come here. Hi, Sukum. Hey. Before you change boss's money, work. Eh. You mustn't encourage us. Hey.
Nakrevon.
Bueno.
Moto kunya haraka. Nani yake.
Sikumereke gari kiyo. Tamu buri.
Moga sikume.
Hey.
Kamu ben.
Kira mo hai.
Kamu ben. Heche.
Paning karing.
Acha joka.
So these are motor. Yeah. So right now they are plastering outside. Yeah. That house, it looks like this one. But this is the result. Why? I'm totally tired like a goat. Is the korosa kama kimburi? Eh. Maybe in the behind. Yeah. Today's full work. Oh my God. We have the mace. Wow, guys, I'm telling my brother to pause the music.
But did you see Haro baby?
Mara kaya kumusumali. I swear. Kuna msumali hapa. Mungu moja. Hili msumali. Tatu mhoro.
Nenda hapati hivi kwa Kiingereza. Haro baby hata utoi soda mura.
Utoi soda. One day we drink soda.
Oye mura. Haro baby. Tenda kambe Kiingereza haro baby. Tata baby kwa Kizungu.
How about you Kiswahili?
Yeah.
I swear. Ngombe na mwagikini.
Ni gisire.
Ma.
Onyumba yange no bukangi boyo niga. Sasa kutoka kibibia nene atoke.
You see the boss?
How are you?
Say hello. Hey.
Robin hapa.
Rich kid.
I know, I'm not rich, but I'm trying to be.
So, to employ people here is not a joke, bro. You are a rich kid.
It's not a joke.
You have a gamble.
Hey, this is you know, it's raining, but
Serious-
season. I'm supposed
serious
to put
boss.
gambut so that we work together.
Hey.
Hey, I'm not special. I'm supposed to support them, eh?
Nyamagebo.
Yeah.
Hey. Work.
Work.
Imagine, guys,
Kenya,
my home is just
you must
over
work so that you have something to put on the table.
there. Hey.
You'll be chased with your wife because you have nothing to put on your table. You must try hard so that you can eat.
Imagine, guys, here and my home just close to other side. You see,
Actually, Haro baby is my neighbor. Haro baby is my neighbor.
and also friends.
And also friend, also is my son.
Yeah.
Don't forget that.
Imagine at this age. Hey, guys, oh my God. At this age.
Yeah, you look at me. I'm old, man. Because our baby is my son. If you go in local culture, our father is my brother. So our baby actually is my son.
But I'm older than you.
Yeah, I know. I give you respect, but
Hey, not touch stuff for him.
family and my.
I'm going to go It's kuchapia. Watu wangu mnaona? Yaani fundi anachapia. Fire.
Atete biri kon chigang po bingore kakerda.
Ndari sika na lembo gorofa. Ndari tevi. That's my brother.
Nigga, see, boss. Upcoming boys, look at this, man. I'm big stomach, like he earned something.
Let me tell you one thing.
Tell me, my brother.
In our home, we saw like we have good body. You see even mine?
We are blessed, man.
Yeah.
But this is I think this is not sickness, man. Maintenance.
Yes, I'm maintain. I eat good, bro.
I will be like you. Hey, my
Yes.
brother.
If you
are abusing me. I'm comfortable the way I am. Kenya.
kama mlisha ito na
Literally, unataka kumuita.
anarabe na
Muita na
kikeo.
motambe.
Tokoba wote mawe beskela siku ko beskeli yale.
Yeah, give me one bike so that I can enjoy. I can ride even one day. Why you? Ah. Piango temer.
Eh, boss anasumbua jamani. Boss is working. Eh. Ataka kuchafara abantu tanuru hayo mura.
Chapa. Hayo.
Oi,
Oh no. Uwe.
tamsikiliza haya.
Tamuhiri chembe.
Kusengo ndini lang.
Tamuhiri chembe nde haya.
Murale after nyumba ni gusira mura utokori cho.
Si tu muita kimaridina na janga cho.
Ango muita. Yoro mote me quotation icho.
Ataka sukano.
Hakuna.
Hero baby.
Wani ticho.
Atara mahaka ba wewe na nicho. Eh, this close friend to mine.
Hero baby.
Alikuwa mwito make mazi kidogo.
Hayo wale.
Eh, ani kinyambika Tanzania.
Era ni yako Kenya.
Nana. Era rusigi tu.
Tutako mama. You work, my friend. Village life. Working on this maize plantation. Yes, with my boss here.
The boss, my friend.
Mitoto. Semeni habari yenu mura. Vipi?
Habari yenu.
Mnaenda wapi mura?
Hapo juu kina
Yes,
Tifa.
Spider man. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Kora vitani.
The ball is usually playing.
Yeah. Which one? This one when I'm a kid. It reminded me.
Kid. The past tense. No, past tense when I was.
When we are a kid. I use when we are a kid. Me and you.
I have to.
Me and you. Me and my brother.
You are praying.
Yes. When we are a kid. When I'm a kid. Because I use we, because we are many. Two. More than
Look
two.
at the vegetables.
Avocados.
Avocados.
Imagine this is my boss, guys. He's taller than me. Also, this is my home. I'm telling you. It's the part of my family.
The local chop. The local.
Maybe you wonder, baby, why do you pass on the maize banana plantation? Why? Kidogo tu.